Hi guys, we've got a great Transit Custom in stock at the moment. This one's a 2018 68 plate Ford Transit Custom Trend with only 30,900 miles from new. It's another one that's in immaculate condition. Supplied with a fresh service as well and 2 keys. It's in fantastic condition in here as well. Ply lined in the rear and with a rubber floor. This one's also got front and rear parking sensors. It's 2018 model, so it's the Euro 6 2 litre, which means it's ULEZ compliant. The Trends have got great spec with cruise control, Bluetooth telephone, front and rear parking sensors as I say, electric windows and mirrors, front and rear fog lights. This one's also been spec'd with satellite navigation, as you can see, which means it's got this bigger touchscreen interface as well. All in all, a really nice van, only 30,900 miles from new. For any more details, please get in touch on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again.